So we've got the Tops Match Attack Extra Starter Pack. Inside is 26 cards, 2 exclusive white, gold limited editions, 1 random X Factor limited edition card, 1 binder with checklist and a game guide. 1 new lucky pack includes a guaranteed special insert prize. Extra epic, and it says these starter packs are extra stacked. They're the 2 white gold limited editions, and then there's 1 X Factor limited edition, not stack. These cost £9.99 plus the pros have spoken. 1 of 1 pro view genuine autograph, only 5 to be found worldwide, exclusive to starter packs only. That's what they look like. Then you've got your managers, your giants of the game in this edition there, your update cards, your jersey relics, and your Chrome X cards. The Go Chrome card, 1 in 450 packs, special parallel version, also available worldwide. 1 in 1,800 packs, exclusive to display boxes only. Get straight into it. So I've got all the stuff there, so I can count. Yep. So we've got our 2 12-pack cards there. Promo pack there include 1 limited edition card and our lucky pack. So we've got the checklist. We've got the squad update, which is only 54. Your away kits, defensive rock, managers, UWCL cards, some of the inserts there, like game guide. A quick look at this. So we've got the base cards, new manager careers, squad update, defensive rocks, the away kits. You've got the holographic foils. So you've got your breakthrough ballers, Kings of Europe, midfield shield. You've got your hat-trick heroes there, your knockout masters. You've got your purple parallel, your rainbow foil cards, your 100 clubs, your black edges, your Chrome X cards, your platinum pool limited editions, your gold edge cards, 9 of them to collect. 10th one, first to start pack in the lucky packs is the Mbappe. The extra limited edition cards. This is in addition to the Mega Tin. So what the designs look like. There's 3 of them to collect. Exclusive positions, they're in the Eco Packs, the Mega Multi Packs, and the Goat, which is in the display boxes only. Your genuine autograph cards, and your dual autographs, your jumbo relics, and then you've got your player worn relics. Then you've got all the items, so you've got a £3 a pack. Your Mega Tins at £14.99. Your Mega Multi Packs at £11.99. Eco Packs at £8.99. And that's all the checklist. Leave that to one side for now. What's this? Oh, this is the other side of the checklist. Crowd connections. Kings of Europe, one of the match heritage. You've got the woman of their match heritage. You've got your man of the match legends, knockout masters, midfield shields, hat-trick heroes, 100 clubs. You've got the legends and the women's one. Then you've got your top prospect, collector cards, official match ball cards, black edge, gold edge, and that's it. Then you've got your chrome, X cards, there's only 9 of them. Your pro view signatures, then you've got your explosive talent, white gold in positions, your X factors, platinum pool, box office in positions, your invincible in positions, and your giants of the game in positions. Your blue flame in position, the goat card. That's all the checklist. Then you've got design your own match stat card the way you want. Then we've got the normal binder. Let's get into the packs. Let's get into one of these. Let's have a look at what the design of these cards look like. Ooh, we've got a gold edge, it looks like. We've got a manager. All the managers look quite cool. You've got your win, your lost, and your draws. How many games they've created. This is from when it was. This starts from the 1st of the 9th, 2024. David De Gea, Jules Koundé, defensive rock. The away kits look quite cool. Another away kit. Dybala, crowd connections. Ooh. Oh wait. I thought that was in rookie packs only. Then you got your white gold Erling Haaland. And you got your midfield shields there. Defensive rock. Marcus Rose. How many they've done? I think the match is only for the Champions League. I think, or like what game conference they're in. Got a man of the match heritage there. Kylian Mbappe. In position. The texture on these in positions are quite nice. Then you got Kings of Europe there. Promotional pack, one position side. See what we get. I'm assuming the X Factor will be at the front. Oh no, it's at the back. It's a Rome. Quite nice there. You got Breakthrough Baller. You got another Angel Di Maria, Kings of Europe. I'll be careful. Also, we've got a code here. 15% with a maximum of £20 of single use. I'll use that when I order something on the website, so I won't show you that. We have got a few mega multi packs to open, and then we've got a eco pack and one of the tops bundles I've done on the website to open. So don't forget to stay tuned for them videos, guys. We'll see you in another video.